Induction cooktops are impressive. If you're after a cooktop with super fast heating and instant response to changes in temperature settings, all while staying cool to the touch, then an induction cooking system is for you. When choosing your induction cooktop, one of the most important factors to consider is cooking power. You want to be able to quickly boil water and sear foods at high heat. But the low end of the spectrum is important too. You need to be able to simmer at a very low rate or melt chocolate without burning it. It's not just about heating food anymore. With more and more brands battling for dominance in the induction cooktop market, they've come up with some creative ways to improve the experience they offer for home chefs. Choosing the perfect induction cooktop should include looking at the extra features it has to offer. These can include ease of cleaning, wireless connectivity, customizable layouts, and other options that make your cooking experience more enjoyable. Whether you're looking for the best of the best or just the most affordable, you'll find it on this list. So if you want to know which ones will work best for you, stay tuned. If you want to see more details about the newest prices of the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. Now let's begin. At number 1 for best overall, we present the 800 Series Induction Cooktop. This Bosch induction cooktop features 4 burners and a distinctive jet black design profile. All 4 elements are high-powered while also being capable of heating at extremely low levels, and this model also features impressive and intuitive touch controls. This Bosch cooktop also features Auto Chef, which allows for programmed and preset cooking settings that allow for impressive customization if your cooking experience is needed. You'll also find a range of other features, including auto sizing, designed to accommodate pots and pans of various sizes to suit your unique needs. Another great feature is the Speed Boost. This can help you by giving you more power to the cooktop, which will result in a quicker cooking process. This feature would have been really useful if you're in a rush and prepared to make a meal for family and friends. Through the Home Connect feature, you can also connect the cooktop to the Bosch Home Connect app. This feature is a bonus for those looking to create a smart home, as it has the capability of allowing you to monitor and control the appliance from your phone. With excellent reliability and owner satisfaction levels, plus the ability to perform equally well both at high and low heats, this induction-style creation from the Bosch 800 series is sure to make an excellent choice for any home kitchen. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll receive notifications of our next videos. At number 2 is the Smart Induction Cooktop from Samsung. This 36-inch Smart Induction Cooktop was the first one from Samsung to realize that amazing looks should be accompanied by the cooking performance and smart features that are hands down the most reliable and feature-rich stovetops you can find. The stylish designed and opulently appointed Samsung Induction Cooktop has all the bells and whistles you might hope for in a cooktop from one of the most innovative tech brands on the market. The cooktop features 5 total elements with 4 eye-power elements, all controlled by intuitively designed touch controls. The stainless steel trim surrounding the cooktop is an excellent and stylish choice, while powerful features like the Wi-Fi enabled connectivity give you more flexibility and control over your cooking experience than ever before. The flexible cooking zones allow you to adapt to your cooking surface based on the shapes and sizes of your cookware, and the cooktop even includes a magnetic knob that can be used in place of touch controls if you prefer a more traditional control style for cooking. Perhaps one of the flashiest features is the Samsung Induction Cooktop's virtual flame feature, which projects flame images onto the bottom of your cookware in order to indicate that it's being heated by the induction element below. At number 3 is the Impava 2-burner Induction Cooktop. This 2-burner cooktop has a tempered glass surface that can withstand even the toughest and most intense heat without cracking or chipping. You can easily clean it from impurities and oil without damaging the glass itself. Any heating will be accompanied by indicators that will inform the user about hot objects and their temperature. Appearance-wise, this cooktop is smooth and shiny and it's all black color. Its cooking element is surrounded by a white mark that gives the characteristic glow. There are 9 heat levels on this cooktop, and the digital control buttons help you control them. It's paired with digital display so you can keep track of what you're doing. For safety, Impava includes a hot surface indicator to warn you of the hot surface after you've turned it on. There's also a boost function to help you accelerate cooking time. We hope you've liked what you've seen so far, and if you have any other products you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comments below. At number 4, and one of the best portable category, we present the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop. With dual side-by-side burners, the total cooktop width is 23.5 inches. This pick offers plenty of power for those who need a portable appliance. The left burner has 8 temperature settings, while the smaller right burner has 5. If you only want to use them one at a time, you're in luck, because each burner has an on and off switch and an individual timer that can be set up to 150 minutes. The smooth glass surface looks sleek and wipes clean. It's ideal for entertaining and for holidays when cooking for a crowd. It's also compact and portable size makes it ideal for small spaces without a kitchen, such as dorm rooms, boats, patios, or RVs. Compared to more basic hot plates, Cuisinart's double burner induction cooktop offers more rapid heating and powerful cooking temperatures. To combat this, it also has built-in safety features such as an auto shutoff that cuts off the heat of the burner 30 seconds after something is removed. It's ideal for anyone in tiny spaces or who frequently forgets to lend their kitchen appliances. The double induction cooktop offers the ultimate in cooking flexibility, adding 2 induction burners to any kitchen or any place without a kitchen. At number 5, and our best budget pick, is the Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch induction cooktop. The Frigidaire induction cooktop has a simple, easy-to-use interface, dedicated controls for each burner, excellent cooking capabilities, and an advanced feature set of a reasonable price. It's the best value of any cooktop we looked at. The touch controls are excellent and easy to use. It has some nice features that enhance its use, such as pan size detection, which detects the size of the pan you're cooking with and adjusts the heating element to match it. A warmer feature is designed to keep your food warm without overcooking. There are 9 heating temperatures and a PowerBoost feature, which raises the temperature for 10 minutes if you want to do things like boil water quickly. The Frigidaire induction cooktop has 4 burners that range in power from 1,450 watts to 3,400 watts. It has plenty of power to cook foods of all types, but it's an average range of power for these appliances. The burner sizes are also about average, ranging from 6 to 10 inches. This cooktop does have a bridge element option that allows you to sync 2 heating elements to create one large element for cooking on griddles and other oversized cookware. And there you have it, the 5 best induction cooktops on the market today. If you found one that meets your needs and your budget, check the link in the description box below and catch it at a discounted price. If there's a product out on the market you'd like to see us review next, just let us know and our research team will get to work. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.